بعد فأعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم إنه لقول رسول كريم ذي قوة عند ذي العرش مكين مطاع ثم أمين. Verily this is the word of a most important messenger, and you with power held in honor by the Lord of the throne. My everyone guest and respectively teachers and dear audience, Assalamu alaikum. Dear audience, to the topic of my speech is the most important topic of Quran Majid. The most honorable listeners, this is the sufficient for the greatness of Quran, that Quran Pak is the speech of Allah. Allah by himself has introduced Quran in Quran Pak. Innahu la Quranun Kareem fi kitabin maknoon la yamassuhu illa al-mutahharun. That this is indeed Quran Pak, honorable in a book, well guarded, which none shall touch, but these who are clean. Who has sent down the Quran? Who has revealed? It has been described also. Tanzeelun min Rabbil Alameen. This is a message sent down from the Lord of the worlds, and this is being revealed little by little. Inna nahnu nazzalna dhikra wa inna lahu lahafizun. We have sent down the message, and we will assuredly guard it from corruption. It has been described Allah also in which month Allah has sent down the Quran Pak. شهر رمضان الذي أنزل فيه القرآن هدى للناس وبينات من الهدى والفرقان. Ramadan is the month in which Allah has sent down the Quran as a guide to mankind, also clear for guidance and judgment between right and wrong. وَمَا عَلَيْنَا إِلَّا الْبَلَاغُ الْمُبِينُ.